In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your Shein app to the latest version. So if you have your Shein app and you're missing out on the latest features that this app comes with, or you are experiencing a lot of challenges with your app, the best thing to do is to go ahead and update it. To update Shein app, you can do so on App Store if you are using an iPhone, or Play Store if you are using an Android smartphone. So I'll show you how to do it on my Android smartphone. To get started, go to Play Store and then tap on it. And from here, go ahead and search Shein. And here is our Shein shopping app. Now, as you can see, if I go ahead and tap on it, it is installed, yes, but it needs to be updated. And that's why you can see we have an update option here. To update it, just proceed and tap on update. And then this will go ahead and download the latest version of Shein on your smartphone. And now it is done. From here, it will proceed to install it. And once the installation is done, you can now go ahead and open it. So when you open this app, you'll be opening the latest version of Shein app on your smartphone. So that's how you get the latest version of Shein app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.